another video. This is your girl Meka. Thank you guys for tuning into this video. If you are new here, make sure you hit that subscribe button, turn your post notifications on so that you are notified every time your girl upload another video. Okay y'all, so today is a hair video, as y'all can see from the title. So I got this wig sent to me. Hopefully it looks good. Hopefully it's nice. It's supposed to be like a short lock type of style. So anyways, I'm just gonna open it with you guys and basically try to customize it onto my head. I'm gonna see how it's gonna work with my hair like this, because I have in this hair paint. My hair is hard and I don't know if it's gonna lay flat, so I gotta find a way to make it lay flat. So anyways, let's open this thing up. Alright, so I'm opening it. Okay, so this is what it's looking like. They gave me a wig cap, some lashes, and some hair things to put on it. So that's what y'all see here. So that's that. And this is the wig. So it's like short locks. So this is what it's looking like. Okay. And as y'all can see here, it has some baby hairs coming out of it. So this is it. This is she. It comes with this elastic here, this elastic band, which is good to hold your hair. And this is what the inside is looking like. Alright, so I'm just gonna put it on so you guys can basically see how it look on me, and then I'm gonna go ahead and customize it. Alright. Okay, you guys, so this is what the wig is looking like. This is the scalp. I tried my best with it. I tried to do a little baby hair. I'm not really good at that, but this is what it's looking like. I think overall, I don't know, it's like too bulky. It's too much going on inside. I think if it was less bulky and less like thick, I would have liked it. Then the scalp, I did the best I could with the scalp. It was like really plasticky. But you guys can let me know what you think down in the comments section down below. Let me know what you think about it, how you feel about it. I think it's okay. I mean, I think it's okay for the most part. And yeah, so this is what it's looking like. I just wish it wasn't as bulky. And then like the scalp piece, I don't know. And then it's a little heavy too. It's like it's a little heavy on your head. But this is what it's looking like. Okay, so thank you guys for tuning into this video. I know I didn't really, let me stop playing with it. I know I didn't really show much of me doing anything because it wasn't really, I didn't really have to do anything really. I just put some lace tint on the lace because it was looking very plasticky, as y'all can see. It was looking very plasticky. I put some lace tint and then I put some foundation. I kind of went ahead and just did somewhat glue. I don't know, I'm not the best with doing wigs. I'm still learning, but anyways, yeah, so that's what I did. And then I tried to do some little baby hairs. I don't know what's going on with that, but yeah, y'all can just let me know in the comments what y'all think about the wig. Okay, and I'm gonna catch y'all in the next one. Bye.